Hey everyone, welcome to Freey and Channel. Hi, I'm Suman. Today we are going to install the Flutter first project on our PC. So if you are ready to start your development journey, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll installing or building our first projects or first applications on Flutters. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this thumbs up and subscribe the channels and hit the notifications bell to stay update all the things about a Flutter. If you don't know about process of installing Flutter on your Windows, then you can check it out on my YouTube channels. I have already uploaded the video of installing Flutters on your Windows. I'm also giving a link on my descriptions. Alright, let's not waste any more times. Let's get started to build our first projects on the PC. First, building a Flutter projects in a two-way. I mean to say that using the command or using with VS Codes or Android Studio by creating news, and I'm going using the command prompt. So type command with Flutter create and your project name. Flutter create name will be, I think, first project suitable. Okay. First project. Then click enter. Remember one thing, that you have a good connections on your PC, so it will create successfully. Okay, after a few seconds we got completed our first project. Okay, after completing this project, either you can go with VS Codes and open your first project files folders, and you can open directly, or you can go with the command cd. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to first go with our project names folders. So cd first project, the project names, then press enter. It will put for project folders, then type code space dot and enter. Here we got successfully open our project on the VS Code. So I'm using the VS Code for opening projects. You can also go through with the Android Studio, but it takes more RAM consumes compared to the VS Code. So VS Code have lots of extensions and it's quite easy to use. Today we are not going to describe each and every part of this project, so don't worry about it. We will discuss in the next videos. If you have successfully installed your Flutter on your PC, then you get the Android emulators. I already told on the previous videos. You can check it out on my channel. So let's open this. At the first times we are opening our first project, so it will take lots of time, so don't worry about it. And I will suggest you to go through with minimum 8 GB, or if you have a good PC, then you can run this project. Flutter works really smoothly. So go through with the SSD minimum 256 GB, and it takes times. Let's wait for a few seconds, few minutes, and after a few minutes we have successfully opened our Android emulators. It will sometimes crash, don't worry about it. Let's run our projects on these emulators, build our first apps. Let's start debugging. It will take a few minutes, and at the initial phase it will take a time. So also it depends upon your PC's features, and I already told you that you should have a good PCs to run your projects on your PC. So at least you have a 8 GB RAM as a beginning phase. So, and it should have a SSD 256 or more. I have already told you that we are not going to describe each and every part of this project, so don't worry about it. We'll discuss in next video. And one thing to remind that just watch the video and get idea of running first projects on your PC. This default applications of Flutter is counter applications. When you hit the buttons of adding a button, so it will increases with the plus one. So also, and also you have a good knowledge about the Tat language on Flutter. So if you are interested to learn about the Tat languages, you can comment on my video, so I can make a list of videos about the Tat language. Okay, wait for a few minutes. It will take times. I already told you as a beginnings at the first project. After a few minutes, we have successfully built our APK on emulator. So it's a counter applications made by a Flutter as a default. Okay, cancel it. If you have some questions, please comment on below. I will help you or I will guide you. It's a counter application, so when you hit the buttons, it will increase it on your screens with plus ones. So this was for today. If you have some questions, you can ask me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching these videos. If you got some help or if you find this video helpful, then subscribe the channels and hit the bell icon so you get a first notifications on your device to get off my video. Thank you so much.